4:11 p.m. Wednesday, March 11th, 2016, New York time. And we are, for the month already, and it's 11th, it's still not quite halfway through the month. $497.51 in profit for the month already. I took a hit here for $60. I closed it out, which is a good thing. The market actually for the past week, it started last week because the US dollar started to drop. This is the Euro USD. It started to drop a little bit. It had been climbing and climbing and climbing, and then it started to drop last week. I mean, it just started dropping. Well, now it's starting to retrace. And I talk about this in my best Forex strategy, where a currency will go in one direction for a period of time, and then it'll retrace. It'll start to come back to where it was. You want to go with the trend pretty much, and the trend, like the Euro USD, the trend, it was going up, but see, it did some consolidation. It went up, and then it came back down, and then it went up, and it came back down a little bit and went up some more. So you can see where these things will retrace. It's not always a guarantee, but you can see where they'll go up and then they'll go down and then they'll come back up at least part of the way. Now if you'd had a trade, let's say you was here and you had a trade on this thing to go up. Now this is a daily chart here, and it started to go bad. Okay, well, let's say you just decided to hold out on it. So you held out on it, held out on it, held out, and you would have been. It's one of my alerts there. Um, you would have had quite a bit of, loss right there. You'd have been in quite a bit of a loss if you didn't have most likely it would have hit your stop loss. Um, but let's just say you decide to hold out on it. Well, it took you quite some time to recover. You're looking at, somewhere around, mm, I don't know, right around about 140 days. So it would have took you, like 5, 6 months to recover from that. But you would have recovered. So, um, but the overall trend for right now, since November of 2015, has been climbing. Okay, so even though it did take a little turn for the worse there, as far as continuing its climb, let me go back. This is a 4-hour chart again here. So it had been climbing and climbing, but it had been climbing since November of last year. And this is just a little downtick. Um, Now, I'm not going to predict whether it's going to go up or down. My indicators are saying it's going to go into consolidation mode, which means a lot of this up and down stuff for a little while. That's what my indicators are telling me. That's what I'm reading here. So, um, my stochastic is saying that it could go up, though, being that these are. Anyways, I explain all that in the best Forex strategy. I talk about things that other people don't talk about, and it's pretty much taboo. And I mean, I set high stop losses. That's why I have a stop here. And it didn't hit my stop loss, but it came close, so I closed it out. $60.60, but I am $497.51 in profit. I do have a couple orders out still, and but right now I'm at $5,695 in profit. Again, this is growing a smaller account. I started with just a little over $1,700, and lost internet for about 3 months. Internet issues here in the Philippines are just crazy. So anyway, it's not as bad as the phone service. Oh my gosh, these people, when it comes to phones, these people are thieves, and I don't mind saying it. They're just thieves. You pay for your phone service, and even if you don't even use it, it will expire. They'll give you a couple days. You put a load on your phone, so you're best to buy monthly. But you never even know if you're going to get to use the phone because the service is so lousy. So, anyways, this isn't about phone service in the Philippines, but if you complain about, if you're in the USA and you complain about your phone service, don't. You're lucky. So, or anywhere else, the UK or wherever, I don't know, but yeah, it's just crazy. So, anyways, I teach all this in the best Forex strategy. I teach one strategy, and that's it. That's the key to winning in Forex. A lot of people lose in Forex because they they'll take two or three strategies, or they'll lose patience. They turn around and get different indicators. They clutter their charts. They they confuse themselves. I teach one simple strategy. I have these settings. The settings are free. You can go to the blog, click the link below, go to the blog. You can get the indicators for free. There's a download link, no sign up or pop-ups or anything. I don't believe in those things. And it's the settings I use and how I use them. So get consistent profits. You're going to get losses. There's, I had one there for $60, and there's another one for $51. But see, there's a profit for $121. There's another loss for $48. So bottom line is having more wins than losses. And I explain all that in the best Forex strategy. You get a free copy of the Codex of Money. It explains the method further. There's other ways to make money in the Codex of Money. It's not all about Forex. It talks about a lot of other things that you can use to make money with. And I guess that's it. These dogs are going to start barking. So that's it for this video. You have a good day.